Assisting with partial bed bath. Knock before entering the room. Identify and greet resident. Explain the procedure. Perform hand hygiene and provide for privacy. Cover the resident with a bath blanket and remove top linens. Fill the wash basin 2/3 full of warm water. Place the basin on the overbed table. Raise the head of the bed so resident can breathe comfortably. Help the resident remove the gown or pajamas. Position the overbed table so the resident can easily reach the basin and supplies. Ask resident to wash easy to reach body parts. Explain that you will wash the back and those areas that cannot be reached.
So I need you to wash all of the easy to reach body parts that you can get to. And when you're finished, I will help you with any parts that you could not reach. And I'll also wash your back.
Attach signal light within resident's reach. Return to resident's room when signal light is on. Perform hand hygiene.
Let me know when you're finished and just push your call light and I'll be back. Okay. Beep. Are you finished? Very well.
Change the bath water. Raise the side rails. Raise the bed to the best level for good body mechanics. Lower side rail nearest you. Assist resident to wash areas that could not be reached.
I'm not going to wash areas that couldn't be reached. Rinse. Dry.
Apply deodorant and lotion.
Lotion.
Help resident put on clean clothes, a gown, or pajamas. raise side rail, lower bed, lower side rail, attach signal light within residence reach. Empty, clean, and store the supplies appropriately. Perform hand hygiene and report and record observations.